Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Kids, now we're writing capital letter alphabets and numbers. Yeah, dark pink color, light pink color, black color, and the next one is red color. Now we're opening the color of exactly purple, light green color, sky blue color, and the next one is silver color, orange color, blue color, dark green color. The next one is white color, yellow color, and the last one is brown color. Now we're using the color of orange and writing alphabets A, B for ball, C, D for doll, E for egg, F for fish, G for goat, H, and the next one is I for ice, I for ice cream. Black color. Kids, now we're using the color of black and writing J, K. The next one is L for lemon, M for mango, N for nose and for nest. The next one is O, stay with us, P, Q, R. Dark pink color, S for snake, T for teacher, U for umbrella, V, W for watch, X for Xmas tree, Y, Z. Light green color, number of 1. The next one is 2, 3, THREE 3. The next one is 4, FOUR 4, 5. Kids, now we're using light pink color, 6, 7, 8, 9, NINE 9, 10, TEN 10. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Stay with us. Now we're opening colors: brown color, orange color, light pink color, silver color, sky blue color. Kids, stay with us. Dark green color, dark pink color, and the next one is red color, black color. The next one is yellow color. The next one is light green color, purple color, blue color, and the last one is white color, silver color. Now we draw the alphabet of A. The next one is B, C for cow, C for cat, D for dog, D for doll, E for elephant. And now we're using the color of dark green, F for fish, F for fan. The next one is G, H for hand, I for eyes, J for joker, K for kite. Kids, the next one is L. Stay with us. L for lemon. Now we're using the color of light green color, M for moon, M for mango, N for nose, O for octopus, P for penguin. Kids, now we're writing numbers: 1, 2, 3. The next one is 4, FIVE 5. Now we're using the color of red and writing 6, 7. Now we're writing the number of 8, and the next one is 9, and the last one is 10. Stay with us. TEN 10. Thank you so much for watching.